Namaste, good morning. Myself Anita Fagadia from Bikaner, Rajasthan. These are the nursery plants of brinjal. I showed you in my last video how I had sprinkled those seeds. But I'm a little bit late because those seeds they were covered with sand by the sandstorms. We had many sandstorms. So I sowed these seeds again, and this is the result. We had yesterday a nice rainfall in Bikaner. So I thought of transplanting these brinjal plants from nursery to the main bed. I have prepared the bed for them, and I will show you the procedure how I transplant these eggplants. This is the bed which I have made. I have planted some of these eggplants, brinjal, beforehand. Mean to say 5 minutes before. I had also put this insecticide in this bed first so that the termites, white ants, that is Dimmock, might not attack these plants. And the distance between each plant is 2 feet. And you know the same procedure. First, cow dung manure, then this fiber of coconut, then again cow dung manure, then this sand, and these are the holes which I have made. This is the plant of brinjal. I am going to show you how I have done all these. I will place gently. And then press this soil against this plant. The stem will remain on the top. You know these eggplants, they need warm weather and lot of sunshine. And these are the things which I have used. And again, this is that water, coconut fiber, soaked water, dilute. After once in a week, I will feed them with this liquid manure. If you don't have a kitchen garden, same method can be applied with mud pot and this plastic pot. But please remember to keep them in sunshine. And if you water them regularly, then the fruits will be nice, means the vegetable, the brinjal will be good in quality. It won't be bitter in taste. But if we water less, then the vegetable or the brinjals which we harvest from it will taste bitter. It takes around about 100 to 120 days for them to give this brinjal vegetable fruit. But if we look after it properly from time to time, then they will give fruit fast. And they need well drained soil. That means not clay soil. The water should not remain on the top, it should go down into the earth, into the soil. These brinjals, they have many colors and shapes also. Some are round, some are lengthwise, some are white, purple, dark purple, green. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, we'll meet again when they will flower. Thanks. Bye. Take care. Have a good day.